I'm going to give you a little short nugget, just a little crumbs here to show you what we're working on for maybe tomorrow's project. We're going to take that pickle barrel, holds 58 gallons of water. We're going to take this 1.5 inch pipe with the fitting on it, check valve that's going to go on the end, a water hose will screw it to this. It's all going to screw down into this sub pump that's going to go into that water barrel, and that's going to pump water out so that we're able to keep our water totes topped off. It's a work in progress. So there's water totes, the pump for it, all of our electrical we've done, the sewer line going in, the hot water tank hooked to the propane. So when you want to kind of move off in the country, it's not as simple as just plug it into city utilities, cutting on a light switch or turning on a water faucet. You got a lot of work to get there first. But at the same time, look at the beauty. 6.31 acres. So make sure you like and subscribe our channel, A Truly Blessed Life, and watch for the update and watch how we get our water pumping. I think it's in the mid-50s right now. Just beautiful out here. A lot different than Florida. So make sure you subscribe to our channel. Watch it the next day or two. We're going to be posting a couple of videos. Y'all have a great Thanksgiving. Eat you a lot of food. Spend it with your family. And relax and enjoy life. Go for a hike. If you can, find you some woods. Find you a trail somewhere. Go for a hike. You'd be surprised what it does for your soul. All right, leave a comment. Oh, somebody's out there shooting. Perfect place for shooting guns out here. Like, subscribe, follow us. Watch for our updates. And have a beautiful Thanksgiving.